Shopify Gift Cards tutorial. So gift cards are the most effective way to boost our cash flow and reduce returns, but they don't just appear in your store. You have to activate them as a product. And we will cover the structural setup, the difference between issued and purchased cards, and the customer delivery. Alright, as always guys, do not forget to create your account and log in, and then we need to navigate to products, and then gift cards at the very bottom here of this section. And in here, press on create a gift card. Now we need this second button with product. So this looks like a standard product page. So give it a clean title, like a store digital gift card. And of course, don't forget to upload a high quality branded graphic. It can be done here under the media section. Also, denominations. Under the variants section, you can add your standard price points. So as you can see, we can have 4, or you can also add more. So you can add like 25, 50, 100, and 250 bucks, for example. Then, when you're done customizing, just click on Save. And also make sure that the product status is set to active, so it appears in your storefront. So as you can see, it should say active in green. Okay guys, and now let me explain to you. So there are 2 ways a gift card enters the world. So firstly, method 1 is going to be the organic purchase. So for example, a customer buys it like a GPU or a fitness supplement. Shopify handles the payment and automatically emails them this unique code. And method 2 is manual issuing. So this is the tool for customer service. If you need to reward a loyal follower or handle a refund without losing cash, you need to go to the product once again, then gift cards, and then add issue gift card. And you can set a custom amount, choose an expiration date, and search for a specific customer profile to send it directly to their inbox. This bypasses the checkout entirely. Okay, and unlike physical hardware, gift cards have 0 shipping costs and instant fulfillment. So in order to make sure so that all of this works properly, you need to go to settings right here in our panel, then notifications right here, and click on the gift cards that you've created. Alright, so you go to customer notifications, scroll down to the new gift card. Okay, and when a customer wants to use it, and this is the email your customer will see. You can customize the colors and logo here to match your brand's aesthetic. As you can see, you can just edit code and change the way it looks. And when a customer wants to use it, they simply enter this 16-digit code in the gift card or discount code box at a checkout. And also gift cards can be used across multiple transactions until the balance hits 0. So setting up gift cards takes less than 5 minutes, but adds a permanent high-margin revenue stream to your store. Hopefully this Shopify guide about gift cards helped you out. If it did, like and subscribe.